Welcome to PDFLiner Easy Guides. Today we are going to show you how to edit PDFs online using PDFLiner. There are many situations in life when we need to add some changes to a document quickly, especially if we are on a go. In cases like this, using an online document management system becomes really helpful because you can access your documents anytime from any device. To begin editing a PDF, upload your form to PDFLiner or search for one in our library. On the upper panel of the editor, you can find all the needed tools to edit your document. For example, to add text, simply pick the Add Text tool and point the cursor where you need it. Type the text, change the font size and color on the upper settings panel if needed, and click OK. Next, we can add marks using either the Draw tool over here or one of the marks in the Insert Item drop-down. Let's use both. So first we can draw something like this, and then we can change a color and click OK. And then we can add a check mark, for example, over here. So this is how you add marks to your document. Now we can also add note to a document using the text box. Pick the text box tool, place it where it's needed, and then write something in it. Here you can also change the font, size, color of the text, and color of the box. If you need to highlight, pick this tool in the drop-down menu and point cursor where you want to start highlighting. After that, drag the highlight where it should end. In case there is an information that you need to hide, you can use the whiteout and blackout tools. Pick one of them and place where it should start, and then drag it to the end of the info. If you'd like to add some creativity or customize your document, you can use the Add Image tool. Simply click on it, upload your image, place it where you need it, and then change the size by dragging the blue dots. To sign your document, pick the Add Sign tool. Choose one of the options, create your signature, and then click the Sign button. Now place your signature on the document. After signing, you should also add a current date. Click on the Add Date tool and place the calendar where you need a date. The current date will appear. If you need another date, simply rewrite it. Once you're done editing your PDF, click on one of these buttons to download, share, or save the progress. If you like this guide, click the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more PDF editing tips. Using PDFLiner, you can edit, sign, convert, share and store any PDF documents and have unlimited access to thousands of fillable forms. Learn more at pdfliner.com.